Today, we are talking about a game changer, a true visionary in the world of finance. Brace yourselves, ChatGPT is here to unleash an investing revolution like never before. Picture this. You're a savvy investor, and you've spent countless hours analyzing mountains of financial data. But the markets move faster than you can blink, and you're left playing catch-up while the big players seem to have it all figured out. Now imagine having a formidable ally by your side, an artificial intelligence powerhouse capable of processing information at lightning speed. ChatGPT, fueled by OpenAI's cutting-edge technology, enters the scene like a lightning bolt, devouring market data, financial reports, and economic indicators all in real time. ChatGPT isn't just another fancy AI. It's a language model trained on a vast ocean of financial knowledge, making it the epitome of investing wisdom. It understands the complexities of market dynamics, anticipates shifts in trends, and foresees hidden opportunities before they even come to light. Here are how you specifically can take advantage of ChatGPT's power in your investing. Real-time market analysis. Imagine that you have a super smart robot friend called ChatGPT. This robot friend has access to all the news channels, websites, and financial data from the entire world. It's like having a magical crystal ball that tells you what's happening in the stock market and economy right now. Every second, ChatGPT is scanning through this vast amount of information, like a super fast reader. It looks for important clues about what might happen next time in the stock market, and which companies or investments could be good or bad choices. Let's say today, ChatGPT reads some exciting news about a new technology that lots of people are talking about. This technology could change the way we do things in the future, like how smartphones changed our lives a few years ago. With this information, ChatGPT tells you that some companies that work on this new technology might become more valuable in the future because everyone wants their products and services. So it suggests that you could consider investing some money in those company stocks. On the other hand, ChatGPT also reads the negative news and can advise you to be careful and avoid investing in those particular companies right now. You see, ChatGPT helps you make smart decisions about where to put your money, just like a really wise friend who knows a lot about money stuff. It makes sure you're always aware of what's happening in the financial world so you can make better choices and hopefully make more money in the long run. ChatGPT is like having your own superhero sidekick that guides you through the confusing world of investing. ChatGPT can also evaluate the risk associated with different investment options by analyzing factors such as volatility, historical performance, and correlations. This enables you to assess the potential downside of your investments and make more risk-conscious decisions. By learning from your investment history and understanding your financial goals and risk tolerance, ChatGPT can provide personalized investment recommendations tailored to your unique needs. It can suggest asset allocation strategies, specific stocks, bonds, or other investment opportunities that align with your preferences. It can also assist you in optimizing your investment portfolio by suggesting diversification strategies and identifying potential areas of improvement. It can help you rebalance your portfolio to align with your changing financial goals and market conditions. If you want to take the trading to the next level, you can integrate ChatGPT with trading platforms and APIs and automate certain aspects of your investment strategy. This could be executing trades based on specific criteria or receiving real-time alerts when certain market conditions are met. Since ChatGPT is like a robot, it will also overcome emotional bias. ChatGPT remains impartial and unaffected by emotions, which can be a significant advantage in investing. It helps you avoid making impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed, and encourages a more disciplined and objective approach to investing. In general, ChatGPT is a valuable research assistant in all aspects of investing, as it will conduct in-depth research on potential investments and valuable information extremely fast. This saves time and effort, allowing you to focus on analyzing the information and make well-informed decisions. It's important to remember that while ChatGPT can be a powerful tool, it's essential to use it as a complement to your own knowledge and judgment. Always conduct due diligence and consult with professional financial advisors to make the best decisions for your specific financial situation and goals. There you have it. ChatGPT is the harbinger of a revolution that will echo through the generations. Embrace the power of AI and let it fuel your investment journey like never before. If this revelation has ignited a spark within you, hit that like button, share it with your fellow friends, and let the investing world tremble before the might of ChatGPT. Until next time, onwards to a new era of successful investing.